Well, hello. Time for another room tour. Today we are at the Hilton at the O'Hare Airport here in Chicago. This is the Hilton Chicago at the O'Hare Airport. We are actually inside the airport. We will show you later. Outside that window, you can see the planes. This is pretty cool, actually. I'm kind of excited to stay here. We'll say that this hotel is also pet friendly. Hooray! So you can bring the doggos. An extra fee will apply. No fee for service dogs. And we'll put that up on the screen right now, that information. And now we will continue with the room tour that Ernie is already starting, kind of. Hello. We're excited to be here. We're here because it's the National Card Show, and this hotel is very close to the convention center that we are going to the card show. And so that makes it easier to get back and forth during the 4 days. So we're going to have a standard king? Yes, but we did get an upgrade. We got a complimentary upgrade from the Hilton, so that was awesome. So I think we have a little bit of a better view than we were supposed to have. But other than that, I think the room is the same. I think we always had a standard king. Okay, continuing on now. So entering the room. Hi, Ernie. Over here to the right, you have the bathroom. Lots of counter space. Good sink. Hair dryer underneath there. Got your towels and hand lotion here. Also got soap over here on the counter. You've got your towels up here for the shower. And then back behind this door here, you have the tub. There we go. Nice deep tub, will be excellent for soaking. Single shower head, and your Crabtree and Evelyn products here mounted to the wall. Very nice. There's also an additional rack here for your towels that you can hang up when you're finished. Back over here, excuse our luggage. We've got a full-length mirror here on the closet. So that's awesome because you can check yourself out, make sure you look cute, get ready for your day. And then here in the closet, you have your hangers, steamer, ironing board, luggage rack. Over there on the other side is your safe and your extra pillow and blanket up here. And now we'll move in to the main room. And I'm super excited to see a microwave. Love a microwave, especially if you have leftovers after dinner. You can heat them up, have a little snack. That's awesome. Not all rooms come with a microwave, and I think they should. Then you have your Keurig for your coffee, ice bucket, cups right there. Under here, you're gonna have your little mini fridge right here. That's awesome. No freezer section, but lots of space for chilling your beverages. Little waste bin right here. Got a nightstand over here by the bed. Lots of ports for charging. Lots of plugs here on the lamp, as well as a little charging pad over here with all of your USB-C ports that you would need. Nice, comfy looking king size bed. That's amazing. Looks awesome. Over here to the other side of the bed. More storage, more drawers, more plugs for charging. So you put all your stuff here. Need anything during your stay, scan the QR code there. Phone in case you need to contact anyone. Make any calls while you're here. And another charging port. So there's one on each side, which is fantastic. So you got all the charging capabilities on both sides of the bed. So if you got two people in the bed, both folks can charge their phone at the same time and not just have to have them on one side. That's nice. I like the looks of this chair right here. This looks super comfortable. I'll do some sitting, a little table right there so you can have a beverage, watch some TV here. Nice looking TV. More storage underneath. 2 full-size drawers in case you want to unpack. Very good. Oh, sorry, that was a little loud. Desk over here in case you need to do some work. Another lamp with charging ports. Awesome. And another mirror. This is a very nice room. But now let's check out that view. So we got a little upgrade. Oh, wait, hold on. Here's your thermostat in case you need it hotter or colder. There you go. And now, look outside. Okay, it's kind of rainy, but look at this. You can see right out onto the runway. So we can just sit here tonight and watch the planes take off and have like a little entertainment. Watch the planes coming in, taking off, taking people where they need to go. Very cool. I like this room a lot. So we'll have a hotel tour to go along with this. That'll be coming up next. And now, if you want to stay tuned, we're going to show off our new luggage that we just got at Nordstrom, which is fantastic. Otherwise, this is the end of the room tour. You can peace out. Thanks for watching. And for the rest of you that want to check out our new luggage, here we go. Hey guys, we got a new luggage bag, and it is so super fancy. I wanted to show it to you guys. It's from Baze. It is the Nordstrom exclusive from their anniversary sale. The official color is glossy cobalt, but we like to call it Cubs blue. Let's take a look inside. Okay, so taking a closer look at the inside of our new bag, I am so impressed by the quality. It splits into two sides, plus you have a wet bag here, which also came with a bag for dirty clothes, which is awesome. Look at that. And another bag. So that's fantastic. And this part right here that normally just has this strap has this other cover. So it's going to be even easier to close when we're filling it with all of our stuff. Zipper here. So if we get like any kind of a print or like some artwork or something that we like to pick up at Disney, that would fit flat right here and be completely protected. I am so excited, probably a little bit too much about this bag. Coming from someone who's always had cheap luggage, this is our first like grown-up bag, so I'm really excited. I'm so impressed by the quality. The zippers seem really good as well. Open this other side up so we can see the other interior. And this is on sale currently at Nordstrom during their anniversary sale. You can pick it up for like over $100 off. So it's fantastic. And this is the large checked bag. They also have the carry-on and the tote. They're also on sale in this beautiful cobalt exclusive Nordstrom color. All right, and on the outside here, you've got your TSA lock. And also, there's a fun little feature here. This little light, this little one right here, that's gonna light up red if you're holding it and your bag is overweight. So it's like a fun little like luggage scale that's built into your bag. We have one that usually we attach to our bag and then we take the reading before we get to the airport. But this is so nice that there's another little indicator light here that you can test out your bag before you get to the airport and know if it's too heavy or if you have to take something out. I also like to point out the handle has padding. So that's pretty fantastic. Goes up. Look at that. Nice and comfortable for rolling through the airport. Lovely.